can always see the name. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're actually going to be talking about Supreme Week 8, which is the tea week. There's a couple teas that I'm actually a fan of. I do feel like these could have been worse. They also could have been better, but I am a fan of some of these teas, so I do want to go ahead and talk about it in today's video. If you do end up enjoying, go ahead and slap a like on it. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And I do want to thank you guys once again for 15,000 subscribers. I am going to be starting a giveaway really shortly for you guys. I don't know if I should do like Supreme tees because it's specific when it comes to sizing, or a Supreme shoulder bag because somebody can wear it all the time and it doesn't really matter of the size. I would like to know you guys' opinions on that, but without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight. So from what it looks like, we don't have the full drop list as of yet. We are going to be seeing possibly some more items added, and I will talk about that in tomorrow's video. So I am going to start like I always do from the bottom of the list with the dookiest pieces and work our way up to the better items at the end. We do have this faux suede patchwork jacket. Honestly, this isn't that bad, but I just feel like it's the wrong temperature. Everything is wrong for when they're releasing this. It's about to get hot as hell outside, so I don't understand why they're dropping this. And I feel like this is probably at the bottom because it doesn't have branding at all. It literally has like a coat hanging tag on the back that has a Supreme box logo on it. That's it, like a small ass logo and nothing else. I feel like you buy this if you like this type of jacket, or this jacket specifically. I'm mainly a fan of that plum colorway. But next up, we do have that Jaguar logo denim overalls. In 2020, I'm not freaking no overalls. That's beyond me. Like, that's not where my palette is at. Like, I'm good on these shits. These do have Supreme going all throughout it. These are the picking corn off the field overalls right here. Like, I'm good on these shits. The pink color is nice, but only the color. I do not like the overalls at all. That's just my opinion though. At the end of the day, if you like them shits, go for them, bro. Like, I'm not stopping you, but that's not my cup of tea. Next up, we do have this Jagan Tea, which at first I thought was corny, but low-key is kind of growing on me. I don't know. I just feel like it's some of those vintage Supreme tees where they would have so much going on the logo, and it kind of does look cool. The more that I look at it, the more that I kind of like it. It does have like this dragon with money falling from the sky. There's like two cars, there's fire, a house burning, like there's rims. It looks okay. Then like there's a hand holding the Supreme logo. It's actually not that bad. Like, it could be worse. Definitely could be worse. Next up, we have this Jaguar logo denim 6 panel. This is basically to match your overalls. If you're trying to have the cowboy denim suit on, this is what you get right here with the matching color. I'm good on this shit. Next up, we possibly have one of my favorite tees, and it's because it is in tie-dye. This one is actually hard. I do like the fact that the logo on the front has like different things making the logo. There's like roses, a smiley face, there's skulls, there's a bunch of shit making the Supreme logo, which is actually fire. Then on the back, you have like these lion heads. I could really care less about that. I mainly do like the fact that the front has different things making up the logo. It's pretty cool. But we do have this big letter track jacket, which is one of the items that I first saw leaked before the drop list. This is actually not that bad. I do like the black and red colorway more than anything, but I'm honestly gonna sit back on this one. I don't think it's anything too special for me to go out the way for it. We do have this everything is shit tee. I want to see this one in different colors. This black with the pink is not doing it for me. Maybe if there's like a navy with a baby blue or a navy with a red logo, definitely would hit harder to me. But this one is kind of ass. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. If there is a better colorway that color pops better on, I'd possibly consider it, but I don't know about this one right here. We got the new Era Gems Beanie. This one is okay. I feel like I bought so many hats this season that I'm low-key just trying to hold up, like slow my roll on that shit. I got way too many beanies that I don't even wear. So next up, we got this Dinosaur Tee, which is possibly one of my favorites because it's like a cartoony tee. I don't know what it is, but I like it. I don't know. It has like a S logo on his head. It's like a Supreme price tag. It's just fire, bruh. I don't know what it is about this piece right here that's definitely calling my name, especially in this burgundy color. I might have to go for it in this color right here for the personal. This is one of the ones that I will keep. I just feel like it's playful. It still has some type of Supreme branding and some type of Supreme hint with the little S logo on his head. Definitely fire. Now, I am a fan of these big letter water shorts. When it comes to these, I low-key am a fan of the shorts more than the jacket. I feel like this is something that I would wear more, especially with summer coming around the corner. What I do like about water shorts is that they can double down as regular shorts as well. well. There has been trends going around of people just wearing water shorts on the regular, and I feel like this is actually pretty cool. So I might end up thinking about that, but not end up copying it, to be honest. It's too much shit that I do want besides that. We do have this Supreme Time Tee. This is one where I feel like it's a portrait, like a little canvas painting, and then it has Supreme over it and under it. This is another tee that you can't go wrong with. I'm honestly gonna try to rack up on the tees. Probably like 5 tees are coming home with me if it is up to me, low-key. Slight bars. Let me keep it stroking for you guys. Now we're gonna get into the most hype items, and before we do so, I would definitely say if you're interested in securing these tees and having a way better chance at doing so, the best way to do it is by downloading Addict.io. They are a bot which is probably the most reliable on iOS. They secure over 85 different stores, from Kids, Supreme, Vape, a bunch of stuff that you can definitely go ahead and secure pieces on. When it comes to Supreme, they do also give keywords on their app so that you don't have to go around searching for them. You can just go ahead straight on the app a couple days before the drop and add the keywords that they already give you. This app is super user friendly, so you wouldn't have much troubles, and if you do, you can go ahead and add their Discord. You can hit them on Instagram and they will get anything resolved for you guys. They've been succeeding on Oreos. They succeeded last week, which is actually a super hyped week. They got motion logo beanies and hoodies. They hit on a bunch of stuff, honestly, and I would definitely recommend you guys to check them out. The price for the app is $130, and if you can't afford it, you can also split it into 4 different payments, which is a vibe. Like, sometimes I know that you can't afford things and it's harder to do so with what's going on outside, but what I do like about this bot is that if you buy it, you can go ahead and split the price up, and if you succeed on buying one of these pieces, you can literally make your money right back, which is a vibe. And if you can't afford the $130, you can also use my promo code Astro to get 10% off on your purchase. You can't go wrong, bro. But definitely go ahead and check out Addict.io. They have been killing it lately, and you can't go wrong. This is probably the easiest way of cooking up on these Thursdays, because we all know that it does get hard out here, and if you do want to secure these pieces, definitely go ahead and check them out. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight back to this video. So now we have the 6 most hyped pieces. We do have this cartoon sweater, which low-key reminds me of those little mangas, more like a comic strip that would be in the newspaper. That's what this reminds me of right here. I don't know what cartoon this is, and you guys might bash me for it. I don't know. I feel like I've seen this before. I just don't know where, but that piece is pretty cool. I personally wouldn't go for it, and if I did, I would probably end up going for the black and white version. That's just the way that I would like to do things, especially with that type of vibe on the crew neck. Next up, we have a hoodie that I feel like is actually underrated. This is fire, bro, especially in that cream colorway. I'm kind of sick that I bought a cream hoodie, which I still haven't gotten, by the way, but I bought a cream hoodie and I feel like this one is 10 times better, which is unfortunate because I bought that one. I'm like, yo, I need a cream hoodie. No, this could have been way better, and I feel like people are gonna sleep on these two, which really sucks, but I'm definitely gonna have to sit down when it comes to this one. I feel like I haven't been talking about resell for any of these pieces. I probably will cover my favorite items to resell in tomorrow's video because I don't have any retails yet. I just don't know what's going on exactly, so I will cover that tomorrow. This hoodie right here possibly could do good. I don't feel like it would do too good if it does have any resell at all. We do have this chrome logo skate deck, which is fire. I feel like I need this for my room some way, somehow. I need to buy this in black or in that bluish purple color. I definitely feel like it is a vibe, and I would end up using this in my room. I just feel like it would look so cool, but this is probably gonna retail for like $50, which isn't that bad. I might consider going for that if I could add it in a cart with other tees. But we do have probably one of my favorite tees right here, which is the Sailboat Tea. This shit is fire. I feel like this one is possibly the one to have better resale out of all of them because it does have like this Faux fake Supreme BOGO on top of the actual art. What I did notice is that for this drop, they decided to do like more artsy vibes on the t-shirts, which I am a fan of. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I used to go to museums and art galleries a lot, so this is right up my alley. I do feel like this is fire because it has that logo like I said before, and it's more playful. It has like UFOs in it, a little boat or whatever, little boat. This one is probably one of the ones that I have to go for along with the Dinosaur Tee, but I am interested in seeing what different colorways they come out with. So far I've seen like a baby yellow, I've seen burgundy, blue, orange, and black obviously, but we do have this chrome logo tee, which is a fire tee. I need this one probably like in a black color or something that's darker so the color pops on it. This is a fire piece, bro. This is one of the ones that I need for the personal as well, and I know that I've said that for like 4 to 5 tees, which is unfortunate, but I feel like when it comes to this drop, I might just end up holding a lot of these pieces. I do want to know if you guys are interested in a Supreme Tee giveaway. There's there's gonna be a major giveaway coming to you guys, so I want to know what items to add that you guys would like. I just know that when it comes to these, sizing is kind of weird, so I do want to know what you guys have to say, whether I should get a tee or a shoulder bag. But this tee right here, definitely a vibe. I would go for it, and I feel like tee drop is for the people that can't afford the hoodies or the expensive accessories. You can buy a tee and still be repping Supreme for the price of not so much, you know what I mean? But last up, we got probably the best piece dropping this week, and it is the straw mat. Bruh, I need this shit. I don't know if I'm going for it in black or red, but either color is a vibe, bro. You cannot go wrong with this shit right here. Bruh, this is fire. I don't know what you're trying to do, but I need this shit. I just feel like retail is gonna be like 100+, and honestly, bro, I'm biting the bullet. Like, I'm biting the bullet when it comes to this shit, because it's so hard, bro. Like, I've dreamt of getting some shit like this, and now that it's finally dropping, I'm not gonna let it go over a fucking price tag. I'm definitely gonna try to go for this piece. I don't know what color, but I do feel like this will have resale down the line. It's kind of like the bamboo curtains, Supreme rugs, all that type of shit down the line does way better, because it's things that you could actually end up using in the future, which normally that doesn't happen. Like, if it's not clothing and it's a Supreme accessory, it tends to do this in the background, and you just end up hoarding it for no reason. But this mat right here definitely will see my feet stepping on it, so it is pretty cool. I definitely would buy this if I had the chance to, and it's exactly what I'm gonna try to do coming this week. This is actually another sleeper week. I feel like this Supreme season has not been that bad, people. Like, we've seen way worse. It's held up there. I feel like this is one of the better seasons in a minute. We've been seeing a lot of ass shit. I just feel like we need some banger collaborations for this season, which we haven't seen yet. But once we do, this season might be contender for one of the better seasons that we've seen in the past couple years at least. But that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys did end up enjoying, go ahead and slap a like on this one down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and want to enjoy more of this type of content. Let me know what type of video ideas you have for me down below. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.